Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Colleges, the aided colleges and government colleges, which are under the administrative control of Directorate of Higher Education, त्या सगळ्या कॉलेजींनी ॲडमिशन फाल्यांच्यान 10 सुमार ऑनलायन पोर्टल ओपन जातलो. ज्या कॉलेजीन ज्या भुरग्यांक जे ॲडमिशन घेवपाचें खंयच्या कॉलेजीन एडेड कोर्सेसान तांच्यांनी वी हॅव क्रिएटेड DHE हॅज प्रोवायडेड वन कॉमन प्लॅटफॉर्म एंड सो द which all the students have to apply online. But before applying online, we recommend the students to visit the respective college website to refer their prospectus to find out what are the different courses available, what are the different subject combinations which are offered, and what are the fee structure for it. Now, once the student logs in, he will have to have certain documents to complete the application, like his SSC certificate, 12th standard. Now, for 12th standard, since the results are out today itself, they can upload the internet copy of the 12th standard mark sheet. Any of the 3 preferences. So, 2 are mandatory for any of the colleges. For example, if the students wants to apply for 2 different subject combination or 3 different subject combination in the same college also, they can apply in the same college as well. If they would like to apply in the 3 different colleges across the 3 different courses, they can apply in 3 different colleges. Now, since we have given them 3 preference to select, preference 1, preference 2 and preference 3. So the preference 1 is the highest preference and preference 3 is the lowest preference. So the students, those who are in the waiting list, will get a subsequent chances, and if not, then of course we will the DHE will make sure that every students who applies, they will get admission in, if not in aided colleges, will certainly make them a provision to get the admission in the government colleges.